how to create SMTP on Microsoft account. So let's see together. So this is the Azure portal we can see, and here are the users. So we can see all the user detail on the admin panel, and we have the no reply user which we have to create the SMTP for. Perfect. So first of all, first thing we're gonna do is we have to go to the app registration. We have to create an app. I have already created the app, so you don't need to. I just don't want to recreate all the stuff. I just want you to go through all the stuff which I have made. So there's a mail sender app which I have registered here, and you can see all the details here like application ID, object ID, directory ID, which is tenant ID, and these ID you need to copy all the stuff and put it in your process.env. So these need to be done in highly secure way. Okay, so one thing you have to do is, so you have to make a secret also. So these value cannot be seen again. When you create the secret, this value will be visible. So you need to copy this value as well. And very important thing, there's a API permissions as well. For this app, we need to apply some API permissions as well. So these permissions will be like mail send, mail read basic, mail read write basic, and mail send. All should be added here. And one thing you have to do this when you add an permission. So you will select the Microsoft Graph, and you have to make sure you add all the permission using application permission, because we are not using authentication system. We are using here the all IDs like stuff like we have copied from the overview section, like client ID. So we don't need to have make the permissions of signed in user. We have to make the permission with application user. So yeah, that's all. And in that you need to have grant all the consent of that. And I also do one thing more as well. I have made the owner of this application the no reply. Perfect. When we do that stuff, it will be automatically. I will make sure I just want to show you the code as well. So added all the detail like tenant ID, which was object ID, client secret, which is created using the secret manager, which is only shown for the first time only. And this is also coming from the env from for security purposes. And yeah, this is all done by Axios. We add the template of the mail, and it is good to go, and is working perfectly fine. So thank you so much. I think it is all the information you need to have to apply the SMTP on Microsoft account. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye bye.